If you are wondering if you can use an Android charger or power adapter in order to charge your iPhone 17e, then the answer is yes. If you happen to have a power adapter from an Android smartphone, like for example this one over here, this is a Xiaomi power adapter, I can actually use it in order to charge my iPhone 17e. And of course it doesn't have to be specifically Xiaomi charger, this can be pretty much any other Android brand. This can be a Samsung, Motorola, Oppo, OnePlus, Xiaomi, anything else. These brands work as well. You can use them in order to charge your iPhone 17e as long as you have a cable that fits the power adapter and your iPhone 17e, because some of the Android power adapters use USB-A ports and some of them use USB-C, and since we have the USB-C to USB-C cable inside the box, you probably want to use a power adapter that has USB-C port. For example, Samsung produces USB-C power adapters, so you can use that if you don't want to replace the original cable. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.